This is example number 2 in stage 1 question NEET electrochemistry competitive. What volume of hydrogen and oxygen respectively would be obtained at 27 degrees Celsius and 740 millimeter pressure and by passing a current of 25 ampere through acidified water for 24 hours. So here certain steps are there we need to follow. Little bit it's a tricky question, and also we need to understand that we need to uh, you know clearly remember certain formulas what we studied in the first PU. So all of you know that Q is equal to I into T. So 20 the given value is 25 ampere, current is 25 ampere, into time is given 24 hours, so we have to convert it into seconds. So it is 216,000 coulombs. Now next step what we need to do, we need to find the number of Faradays. Number of Faradays which is also equal to number of equivalents. So this formula we studied in the PU part. So given charge divided by 96,500 coulombs. So what is the given charge? 216,000 divided by 96,500. So this is available charge divided by 96,500. So number of equivalents or number of Faradays you will get 22.38. Okay, great. Now we need to find the molar volume. Molar volume V is equal to nRT by P. So this is your ideal gas equation. See, that's what all the first PU physical chemistry concepts we need to sometimes think of. We need to apply that and find out. Now, number of mole is 1. Molar volume means number of mole is 1. Okay. Into gas constant is 0.0821 atmospheres, into temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, we have to convert it to 300 Kelvin, divided by, if you see the question, they have given very clearly the pressure in terms of millimeter of mercury. Millimeter of mercury they have given, so convert it to atmospheres. So if you convert it to atmospheres, you will get 0.9736. Using the conversion, 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury. Therefore, 740 millimeter of mercury is X atmosphere, cross multiply, you will get this answer 0.9736. So now if you simplify this molar volume Vm, molar volume Vm is equal to 25.3 liters. Now, number of moles of hydrogen is equal to number of equivalents divided by valency. So number of equivalents is 22.38, that is equal to number of Faraday. Valency of hydrogen is 2. 1 H plus is 1, so 2 H plus will give 2. Number of moles of oxygen is equal to, once again, number of equivalents by valency. In case of oxygen, 1 oxygen is minus 2, 2 oxygen is minus 4. 4. Therefore, it is 5.59. Now, The question we are coming to the answer now. All these details we have. Volume of hydrogen is equal to number of moles of hydrogen into molar volume, that is equal to 11.19 into 25.3, which is 283.1 liter, and volume of oxygen is equal to number of moles of oxygen into molar volume, which is equal to 5.59 into 25.3, which is 141.42 liter. So therefore our objective is to calculate the number of moles of the volume of hydrogen as well as volume of oxygen obtained when the water is this much liters of, that is this much liters of water is electrolyzed. That is a question given. Okay, so this problem, children, involves lot of concepts. You should know what is the meaning of molar volume. So you go to stoichiometry 2 and check the competitive. We discussed in the first PU what is molar volume for hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, all the common nitrogen, common gases. So you should know the molar volume. Supposing if nitrogen is given, you should know valency of nitrogen is N2. Each nitrogen is -3. That means therefore valency is 6. So molar volume will be number of moles will be molar volume divided by 6. So you should know all these things to calculate the problem if it is given. Okay, thank you.